If you ever wanted to deposit money into your Deriv account using mobile money or through payment agents, then this particular video is specifically for you, right? So right now, before we even go deep into it, if you check my amount over here, you will see it is 0.03 cents that I have right now over here in my US dollar account. So I'm going to deposit money into it before I transfer it into my MT5 account over here for the trading. The money over here is in my MT5 account, that's for trading. The one over here is in my main Deriv account. So I'm going to transfer money into this before pushing it to this for trading activities, right? So the first thing that I have to do is to copy my CR number. Okay, so pay close attention over here. This is the process of how you can deposit money into your Deriv account using a payment agent, for that matter using mobile money if you're in Ghana, right? So I'm going to tap on that drop down button over here, and you can see I have US dollar accounts, BTC, Ethereum, USDT over here, right? But the account that is required for me to use right now is the US dollar account. So I'm going to just tap over here, select this CR number including the CR, then I'll copy it, right? Once I copy it, now you know I mostly prefer chatting the agent that I want to deal with. So I'm going to chat the agent right away. All right, so here I am. This is the agent that I'm going to deal with. Of course, this is Mr. Bediako's personal assistant. Okay, so she has been handling the transaction for some time now. Okay, so I'm going to ask her what's the rate for today. So let me do that quickly. Obviously, I need to know the rates of the transaction before I proceed. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. One thing you have to note is that you have to get your CR number and your name. Okay, the name on your Deriv account. You have to get it ready because that's what will be needed for the deposit to be completed, right? Alright, so here we are continuing with the process right now. She came to reply, and yeah, I want to proceed with the deposit. The rate is 16.4. So yeah, let's do it right away. Let me wait for whatever she will need. Once she asks, then I provide. There we go. Sure. So I'm going to give her my CR number, then my name, then probably my Momo number, and I have to allow cash out on my Momo. Alright, so quickly let me allow cash out on my phone and prompt her. Alright, cash out allowed. Let me go and inform her quickly. And guys, don't worry, if you're using Vodafone and you want to send the money to her directly, just inform her and she's going to give you the company line that you can send the money to directly, and that's it. Then your account will be credited. So I'm waiting for the process to finish. Once it is done, we'll go back to my Deriv account and check if the money has reflected or not. Okay, all right, so she just initiated the transaction. I'm going to approve it right away. So I'm going to enter my Momo pin and I'll catch you up in the next one. Alright, so I just finished with the approval right away. 164 has been deducted from my account. Then yeah, approved. The next thing is to wait for her to transfer the money to my Deriv account. Okay, she just said that she has credited the account. So let me quickly check and confirm, right? Awesome. So you can see the $10 had appeared right here over here, and it has increased this $70 over here to 80, right? So let me just reply here and go received. Alright, so basically that's how to deposit money into your Deriv trading account using mobile money through payment agent. Okay, if you're using Telecel Cash, Airtel Tigo, whatsoever, MTN, you can use that method to deposit money onto your Deriv account through payment agent. Now, if you want to watch how I'll transfer this money to my trading account, MT5 trading account over here, you will see the MT5 trading account. I have only 70, so I want to transfer the money over here to it. So I'll just go to this menu bar over here and go to cashier, and from cashier I'll go to transfer. All right, and if you don't believe, let me show you my MT5 trading account, then you see the amount inside over here. You can see this is what I'm having in my account. Okay, so I want to add the $10 to it. So yeah, let me do that quickly. So I'm transferring from my US dollar account to my standard SVG, that's the MT5 trading account. So I'm going to transfer 10. So after that, I'll just come and tap on transfer, and that is it. So you can see your funds have been transferred. So $10 from here to here. Let's go and check the MT5 platform and see. Good, you can see it has appeared right here, and that is it. So if you find this video helpful, just go ahead and hit that like button on the video, and also subscribe for more, right? Alright, so this particular video has been actually inspired, or I had to make this video because of the message I had today from one subscriber. Okay, the person had to chat me up. Yeah, I think it was yesterday, but I couldn't see the message earlier until this morning that I saw the message. He was like, the video I posted was about withdrawal, so he wants to know how the deposit also works. Please, I want to clarify something on how to deposit on Deriv using payment agent, right? So I believe that helps. So in doing so, I also helped her. I explained it. Sorry, I helped him. I explained the thing in a voice note. Then I sent him the lady's contact, Mr. Bediako's PA contact to reach out to, right? So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.